In this video, I'll be explaining to you and show it to you how to download Opera GX and install it into your PC. Well, the first thing that you have to do is to search Opera GX in your favorite browser, then hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, this part of the page will be introduced to you, which is the Opera GX download button. So just click it. Then you will be directed into this page. Now click the download Opera GX. And as you can see, the setup for this file is now downloading. So just wait for it to be finished and then install it to your device. And as you can see, we just finished downloading the file. Now click the open file. Then click the accept and install. Then click the accept. And now Opera GX is now downloading in our PC. And as you can see, we just finished downloading the Opera GX and it will automatically set up itself in our device. And that's it. That's how you can download and install Opera GX into your device. And thank you for listening.